There are so many gun manufacturers that use these sights. Welcome back to the Meprolight workshop, and today we're talking about what someone may call the OEM night sights of the gun industry, the MEPRO TRU-DOTs. Eric, why don't you tell us about them?
Yeah, so MEPRO TRU-DOTs is one of the first night sight tritium versions we ever came out with. So many of your guns at home came from the factory with Meprolight TRU-DOTs on them. So a TRU-DOT is pretty much standardized as a 3-dot sighting system with a white outer ring, and then you have your 3 tritium dots. What Meprolight does different is that we have a proprietary process of the white paint, which adds in the reflection of the tritium, which makes it brighter. So you can't just add more tritium to tritium sights and expect it to be brighter. It's not how it works. You got to work with reflections and different paints and things. So we own this technology. We trademarked the proprietary process in which it's installed, and the TRU-DOTs have been around for decades.
Yeah, and so most other tritium night sights have a warranty for about 10 years. We warranty ours for 12, so you're getting a little bit longer life because of the process that we own. But within the line, we have essentially 3 different options, and we have your standard sights, which again, if you just want to replace the crappy plastic lock sights that come on it, it's a great option with that as well. We also have adjustable TRU-DOTs to where maybe if you have a competition gun that doesn't allow optics and you want to have that really good zero and that precise bullseye shooting, that works really well. And we also have suppressor height sights. So if you got your can on your pistol and you want to see over it, it works well. Or you can also use them for co-witnessing with a red dot.
Yeah, and what I like to do on my TRU-DOTs, I don't like to see 3 dots plus the red dot. The Pro F that I use on a Glock 45, I actually take this rear sight and just flip it around. So that way it's a blacked out rear, and then I only see the front dot and then the dot inside the reticle as well.
So how many other manufacturers that we can say, some of them we can't say, that actually these are the OEM night sights for?
Yeah, so just until a couple years ago, we did all of SIG's OEM sights on their 3-dot systems. They obviously built their own manufacturing plan and now produce their own tritium night sights. But if you check out all the new SAR Gen 3s or SOCOMs, they're all coming with our Hyperbright line, but it's OEM from us. Right here is an IWI Masada. The Masada has standard TRU-DOTs. It's their metals with our tritium. So they ship us all their metals. It's easy, right? We're neighbors and we're sister companies. So in Israel, we install the tritium for them and then send them back. There's a huge company we've been working with for 20 plus years. They sent us the metals as well on their factory night sights. We install them. We've had an amazing relationship with them for 20 plus years on just night sights. So one of the key indicators is that if you see an MH3 on the side, on the rear or the front, then MH3 is by Meprolight. So sometimes we do, like you mentioned, OEM for other companies. They don't want, obviously, another brand name on their firearm or their package. So it's maybe either their metals or it is ours. But if you see the MH3, then that is the mark for Meprolight.
So it is quite possible that you're running Meprolight sights and not even know it.
Absolutely.
So, and again, we make these for a wide variety of handguns.
Yeah, so across the board, we talk about Hyperbright, which is another tritium line to TRU-DOT. We definitely have more options in the TRU-DOT area. So we do them for revolvers. I know we have other videos coming up, but we do them for shotguns. We do them for Benelli M4s, MP5s. There is a whole host of TRU-DOT segment that all features the same, not the same just technology, but the same standards and features.
Awesome. Well, guys, thank you for watching. If you have a question, please leave a comment and be sure to subscribe and like the video. Thank you.